Now, how do you stop the camera opening on the lock screen on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on the iPhone, whenever you are on the lock screen, you can just swipe left on the screen and access the camera, even if the phone is locked, right? So to change that, to turn it off, you can open up the settings app and go to the camera section. And one of the toggles is this one, which is specifically for this like sliding of the camera, and you can enable it or disable it, right? So obviously turn it off if you don't want to use it. The only issue with this could be that you don't see this toggle. And the reason is that this feature is kind of new. It's been added to our devices with the latest iOS 26.1, right? So the point is that if you don't run that version just yet, you need to go to the general and the software update section and install the latest iOS 26.1. Even in the early 26 versions, it just doesn't work. And I'm not even talking about like iOS 18, right? It's not there at all, right? So you have to be running on that latest one. But once you do all of this, you can turn it off like this. And yeah, you will not be able to just open the camera by sliding on the lock screen. So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next video. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.